Hi guys! In this video, you're gonna learn how to get PowerPoint for free. So first, you need to go to the Microsoft Office website, which is microsoft.com, and then go to PowerPoint and click on Try for Free button. Sign in with your Microsoft account or create a new one if you don't have one. Enter your payment information, which is valid payment method, example credit card or PayPal, to start your free trial. However, you will not be charged during the trial version. Follow the prompts to download and install the Office suite on your computer. Then open PowerPoint and start using it for free during the trial period. And that's how to get PowerPoint for free. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial.